In 480 BCE, Greece faced an overwhelming invasion from the mighty Persian Empire, led by King Xerxes I. With hundreds of thousands of soldiers, Xerxes was determined to crush the Greek city-states and expand his rule. While most Greek states hesitated or debated how to respond, one man made a bold decision: King Leonidas of Sparta. He would lead a small force to delay the Persian advance, buying time for Greece to unite. Leonidas knew that Greece needed time to prepare a larger army, so he chose Thermopylae, a narrow pass between the mountains and the sea, as the perfect battleground. With only 300 Spartan warriors, along with a small number of Greek allies, he stood against the massive Persian army. The Spartans were no ordinary soldiers. Trained from childhood to be fearless warriors, they fought with discipline and skill, using the narrow terrain to their advantage. For 2 days, they held back waves of Persian attacks, slaughtering thousands of enemy soldiers. Their unbreakable formation and unwavering spirit shocked Xerxes, who expected an easy victory. On the third day, a Greek trader named Ephialtes revealed a hidden path through the mountains, allowing the Persians to outflank the Spartans. Realizing they were surrounded, Leonidas made his final decision. He ordered most of the Greek allies to retreat, while he and his 300 Spartans stayed to fight to the death. They didn't fight for victory, but for honor and legacy. As the Persians closed in, the Spartans continued to resist, killing as many enemies as they could before they were overwhelmed. Leonidas and his warriors fell, but they had become immortal through their sacrifice. The Spartans' stand at Thermopylae became a symbol of courage and perseverance. Their sacrifice bought Greece enough time to unite and, in later battles such as Salamis and Plataea, defeat the Persian Empire. Today, a memorial at Thermopylae bears a famous inscription: "Stranger, tell the Spartans that we lie here, obedient to their laws."